And so Elon Musk recently deleted a post on X, and it said this: why is everybody trying to assassinate Donald Trump? No one's trying to assassinate Kamala Harris, Kamala, or however you say her name. And people found distaste in it. The people that found distaste in it was politicians, people across the board, pompous type assholes that live outside the common blue collar fucking way of life and meaning. Because what Elon was doing, he said he told the joke around people in his private company and it was funny. But what he realized was that people, when they don't know the context, can take it way out of line. And that is our Congress and Senate and our presidential executive deal. They always taking shit out of context, especially when it's somebody that might have more influence or more money than them, right? Because they're thin-skinned bastards. They're no way in relationship to me and you. They don't shop at Walmart. And what really troubles me about it is that Elon actually took the post down. This is a guy that's supposed to be for free speech. And I understand sometimes you say things you wish you wouldn't have said, but I am of the spirit that I'm going to let my words ride. And if I got to apologize later, so be it. But I said the shit, right? And I want to honor it. These politicians and people that are claiming or asking, hey, would someone that knows Elon have a talk with him? Is he okay or stable? You motherfuckers are the problem. Because you turn an anthill into a mountain. And anytime there's a real mountain, a problem, treason, corruption, taxing, immigration, secure elections, you turn that serious mountain into a fucking ant pile. And it's just another way for you to reason, to maybe deliver some political clout to people that do not give a fuck about you. That's the American working class. Not one bit. You're out of the scope of our reality. And what needs to happen is this. As a voter republic, we need to elect people that are more common sense, more blue collar, that don't have Ivy League degrees or come from long-standing families with political affiliations. And get this, the way that the political nexus controls that, it's called the infamous crime bill. That's where if you have a felony or conviction that's infamous, you can't run for state or local office. And so they kick you out just like they kick you out with your gun rights. And so what that does for the public is it keeps people that have made a mistake, that learn how to fix themselves and a mistake and inspire others to serving in the government and actually doing something other than be a pompous, insecure, thin-skinned aristocrat son of a bitch. Like 99.9% of the fucking people in government. You can't take a fucking joke? Well, I guess you can take a dick then. Fluid English.